So yeah, basically Lexyom is your virtual lawyer. We built Lexyom in a way so that we can really bring the lawyer experience to startups. It's not your template service provider or just this automated solution. It's an actual vetted, verified platform by lawyers, by people who are really like knowledgeable in startups. So we focus a lot on bringing you that quality into the agreements that you can generate. So you can generate unlimited number of agreements. You can. I'm gonna show you. But I just want to say, we have already worked with over 5,000 startups. We have ample experience in this space. This solution is applicable internationally. It adapts to your location, and it's a one-time fee that saves you so much. It is real. It is real. A lot of people do not believe it's real. It's for the price of one contract, for the price of one consultation, you could get so much. I'm going to show you. I'm going to share my screen and show you. I'm giving you 50% discount today for 48 hours on the Lexyom dashboard. So just check. This is what you get when you get into the dashboard. You have the ability to create your contract, to upload an existing contract. So it acts as a data room for you. So it's a contract, a virtual lawyer. It's a place where you could store all your data, a data room for your company where you can share with investors. It's also a place where you can order legal services. You can ask to register a company, ask for a consultation. But what I love the most about Lexyom is the Legal Academy. What you could do is learn. There are complicated concepts in legal, and it helps to have these videos that are uploaded only for the premium account on your dashboard so that you can learn these concepts. We have 24/7 chat support for our premium subscribers. So it's really exciting to be able to manage your legal from one place. And I'm giving you that discount for 48 hours because I really want to onboard as many startups as possible. This is where you go. You edit your profile and then you upgrade to premium and you put in that promo code that I'm going to attach to this video. It's very simple. It's seamless. And you start with my favorite agreement, the founders agreement, right? You go in, these are the agreements. If you request a specific agreement to be added to those templates, reach out to us. We will add it because we want to support startups. You're going to pay a few $100s, but you're going to save thousands of dollars.